ATV winch mount for select Honda Rincon ATVs, see fit chart for complete listing. Easy installation, comprehensive instructions included. For use with all ATV winches from 2,000 to 3,600 pounds with 4-hole, 3.00 by 4.875, or 2-hole, 3.10 by 4.875, standard mounting pattern. 3/16 steel construction with tough black powder coat. 2-year limited warranty. The right winch is important, and so is the mount you use with it. The proper winch mount maximizes winch performance and safety, and seamlessly integrates your winch with your ATV. This Extreme Max ATV winch mount fits select Honda Rincon ATVs. See fit chart in second image for complete information. For use with all ATV winches from 2,000 to 3,600 pounds with 4-hole, 3.00 by 4.875, or 2-hole, 3.10 by 4.875, standard mounting pattern. Designed for use with roller fairleads with 4.875 mounting. Features 3/16 steel construction and tough black powder coat for lasting performance. Designed for easy installation, installation instructions included. Need a new winch? Check out the Extreme Max Bear Claw ATV, UTV Winch, available in 3100, 5600.3072, and 3600 lb. 5600.3075 models. Extreme Max also offers compatible hawse and roller fairleads, as well as a complete line of ATV cables, ropes, hooks, and other accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Fits perfect on my Rincon. This is a very sturdy mounting plate. It lined up perfectly and the install was easier than I expected. The only thing I don't like is that the paint chipped off around almost every bolt. Not a big deal to me, but something to consider.